Hey everyone, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to make sure you're subscribed. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing these gel polishes that was sent to me by Born Pretty, and I also have a code with them that's going to be linked in the description. I'm going to have the names of the colors linked in the description as well. And this very first one actually isn't a gel polish, it's a regular nail polish, like the ones, you know, the old-fashioned ones that just dry by the air. And this one is a reflective glitter, and it's so pretty. The camera just doesn't pick up how pretty it is. It's so beautiful, you guys. I'm also gonna swatch this on a black gel polish so that you can kind of see the reflection a little bit better. That is just so gorgeous to me, and I had so many ideas of colors I could put that over. So beautiful. And again, I just can't explain how it looks in person. The colors just don't come up on camera. I changed the lighting a little bit after I put some top coat on, and you just can't see how it looks in person, but it's so beautiful. I just suggest buying them so you can see it yourself. Here's the next color. This one is a magnetic gel, and they did also send me a magnetic wand, and I'll be showing you how I used that and got some looks with that. This one by itself, just even before doing anything with the magnetic wand, is so gorgeous. Like, it's just so beautiful. I could wear it even just like this, but I'll show you some designs I tried to do with the dual-ended magnetic stick. Isn't that just so beautiful? Like, this is just, I don't know. I just thought these were so beautiful and gorgeous. I could just sit and play with these for hours and hours, just watching the glitters move and everything. So here is the next one. This one is the same deal. It's also a magnetic gel, but the glitters are more fine and you get a completely different type of look. So you'll see what I mean in a minute. And this one also, just the one coat of this one by itself is so beautiful. Like, I don't know how they got these colors, the background colors, to just be so beautiful on their own. It's just so gorgeous to me. But this gel had a different effect when I was using the wands. It turned completely black when I used the square rectangular end. Like, what is that? I don't know what happened there, but yeah. So I had a better effect when I was using the circular end, and you can see here I just went on. I had to fast forward it because I was having too much fun. Like, I was just mesmerized by all the different looks you can do with this. And I saw on Pinterest people make teddy bears and stuff out of this cat eye gel, magnetic gel. Like, the stuff you can do is just endless. So yeah, these gels are just amazing, you guys. They're so beautiful. And then once I used the rectangular end and made it go black again, I was like, okay, that's my sign. I need to move on with the video. I have other polishes I need to review. So this orange one, so pretty. This one, I did one coat and then I cured it. It's a very thick gel polish. One coat is, pretty good. But if I was doing a client or somebody, I would go ahead and do two. But if you did one thick, healthy coat on yourself, then you could get away with it. And then I also received a matte top coat. So I'm just showing that on top of the orange, and then I cured it and it does its job. It made the color matte just like it's supposed to. Here's all of the colors. This is a terrible swatch picture because of all the glitter, it just didn't show. And then here's the two colors I'm going to be using. So first I'm going to go ahead and coat everything with one layer of black. The black I'm using is from Makartt. I do have a code with them that's going to be in the description as well. As you can see, I left one of the nails blank because I'm going to be doing that one with orange. And I did end up having a couple spots that were a little bit see-through, so I did end up using a second coat. Now I'm applying the matte top coat. And after binging like videos and looking on Pinterest forever, I decided on just one really simple design I was going to do on the remaining 4 nails, all exactly the same. So that's what I'm going to do on these 4. And here's how everything looks once it's been top coated with their proper top coats, shiny top coats, and then the orange has its matte top coat. And everything is looking so beautiful so far. Now we're gonna add a couple rhinestones, and then everything will kind of start coming together. This step is optional, but I like to add another layer of top coat just to seal in the diamonds. You don't have to do that though. Same with this nail, I added an extra coat of matte top coat to seal in the stones and also to cover up the rhinestone glue, which dried a little bit shiny. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.